Documentation without hyperlinks that cross-reference different sections or documents or provide links to more information is almost hard to imagine. So knowing how to do hyperlinking is a critical piece of your documentation journey. We'll cover 3 distinct scenarios for linking to other places: linking to external places on the web, linking from one document to another within the project, and linking to a specific spot on a document inside the project. We'll take them in order. First, I'm here on the Just Hardware page, and I've given short descriptions of 3 options in this space. I'll just put the Arduino link on its own line, and that'll work just fine. For the Snap Circuits link, I'll create a hyperlink under the text of Snap Circuits. And to do this, you need to use backticks, angle brackets, and a trailing underscore to make it work. Lastly, I'll just put the direct hyperlink for the Project Blocks website right inside the paragraph, and that'll work just fine as well. The main thing you need to remember here is that the Sphinx parser can see web links and light them up if the text of the link is the link itself. But if you want to make the text of the link something different, then use the backtick angle bracket underscore syntax. When I save the file, the preview looks good. And when I click a hyperlink to verify that it works, you see one of the shortcomings of the restructured text previewer. Links don't behave very well at this point, and you'll find this for all of our different types of hyperlinks in this clip. To really verify that they're working as expected, we can open our terminal again, build the project, and then launch the Just Hardware page that we're editing. When that comes up in our browser, we can click the various links and see that everything is indeed working as expected. Switching gears now, we can go back to the index file and look at creating a link to one of the docs in our project. First, I'll show you how to simply link to the document target you want. It will show the top section name of the document as the link text, and then I'll show you how to use custom text. I've got a little starter paragraph here, and to link to a document, we just use the :doc: and backticks for the relative path of the doc target, like so. To link to the doc with custom text, we can do almost the same thing, but put our custom text where the doc path would have been, and then a space followed by the relative path inside of angle brackets. The preview would show us the links, but they wouldn't work. So I'll just build the project and verify again using the browser. The first one works, and the custom text one does too. For the last hyperlink technique, I'll add a reference directly to the paragraph of the text I'm showing here on the Hardware and Code page under the Options heading. To do this, I'll create a reference tag by using the space underscore syntax followed by the name I'd like to use to refer to this location. I'll call it HW Code Options. Then I'll go back to the index doc and use the ref keyword with the same custom link syntax that I used before. When I build the project and click on that link, you can see that I went straight to the spot I wanted to. Nice! You can use this last technique anywhere in your doc project, whether you're linking to another spot on the same page or a spot on other pages like the one I just did. And those are the techniques that you can use to light up your content with useful hyperlinks. And that wraps up our journey through most of the common features of restructured text that you might want to use to create your own documentation. Let's go wrap up this module and see what's next.